Fáilte Riist, Goose speaking our language. Welcome to Programme 12, Programme Gàidhlig. And this week we'll be looking at ways of discussing where you've been. Seo, Bealoch, Baloch, the pass. And we'll be taking in some of the sights around Loch Lomond. We'll also be paying a visit to a distillery at Dungaina, Dumgoyne. First of all, though, if you want to ask someone where they've been, you would say Catch and Jechshiv. Catch and Jechshiv. Listen to this interviewer carrying out a consumer survey, asking people where they went on holiday.
Agus Catch and Jechshiv. Canada. Tapadif. Catch and Jechshiv. Barai. Tapadif. Agus Catch and Jechshiv.
America.
Tapadif.
Share bear.
Catch and Jechshiv. Where did you go? Catch and Jechshiv.
Catch and Jechshiv. Listen again.
Agus Catch and Jechshiv.
Canada.
Tapadif. Catch and Jechshiv. Barai. Tapadif. Agus Catch and Jechshiv.
America.
Tapadif.
Share bear.
To say I went, you would say Chai me. I went. Chai me. Listen to these three people discussing their excursions around Loch Lomond.
Hello.
Hello.
Catch and Jechshiv.
Catch me yn o'r snahach ys gan yn yr fic.
Catch Nyahu Yang.
Catch fel Balamoha. Sioi, chami Balamoha. Catch and Jechshiv hyn yn Jew.
Chai mi a rú arst Yonai.
Chai me a. I went to, followed by the name of the place. Chai me a. Listen again.
Catch and Jechshiv.
Catch me yn o'r snahach ys gan yn yr fic.
Catch Nyahu Yang.
Catch fel Balamoha. Sioi, chami Balamoha. Catch and Jechshiv hyn yn Jew.
Chai mi a rú arst Yonai.
In the last programme, we learnt the phrase Jan Valle, to town. Jan Valle. But Bala also means village, as in Balmaha, Saint Maha's village, which lies on the east bank of Loch Lomond.
Balmaha. Balamoha. Balachulish. Balachulish. Balamartin. Balavarstein. Ballanluig. Ballanloig. Balblair. Balla-Ivlar. Balerno. Balla-Arnoch.
Hi. Catch and Jechshiv. Well, Catch and Jechshiv.
Is Gàidhlig. Chai mi by orgas Gàidhlig.
Ah.
Okay. Chai mi gan Tayosta. Chai mi gan Tayosta.
Chai me. I went. Chai me. Gan tai oste. To the hotel. Gan tai oste.
Martin va?
Martin va?
Hai brianju.
Ha, gyaraf.
Jan taiosta. And another phrase, ystawrig, in the summer. Ystawrig, or just in summer. Listen again and look out for the less formal use of u instead of shiv in the question catch and jech u.
Hi!
Hi!
Catch and Jack. Well, Catch and Jachu.
Ystawrig. Chai mi by o'r gas ystawrig.
Ah.
Okay. Chai mi gan taiosta. Chai mi gan taiosta.
Oh! Catch and Jachu. Well, Catch and Jachu.
Hai mi gan dale.
Catch and jechu.
Chai mi gan taiosta. Does she the Gaelic coffee?
Ha? In these next scenes, look out for and J. Yesterday. And J. Tuki.
Martin va?
Martin va?
Sianish. Cyfer a hasha fydw.
Gle va ta, belief?
Cat and Josh of Indy.
Chai mi gan yn tara burst.
Gle va? Nisha, tea na coffee.
Ti ma ser tale.
Tea. Gle va ma ha?
Catch and jechu ma ha. Chai mi gan tyfig. Yn je, catch and jechu yn je. Oh, chai mi a glas a chwch. Yn tyfig.
Jechu.
Chai mi gan tai osta.
Gan taiosta.
Ai, chai mi gan tai vic.
Wel, fes ydw yma nachrw. A lagad sy'n ei falwan eich.
Mae sy'n lif y drasta.
Hi fyr eich, Jerry. Ooh, Jan tai vig. To the toilet. Jan tai vig. Listen again.
Cat and Josh of Indy.
Chai mi gan yn tara burst.
Gle va?
Catch and jechu ma ha. Chai mi gan tyfig. Yn je, catch and jechu yn je. Oh, chai mi a glas a chwch. Yn tyfig.
Cat and jechu.
Chai mi gan tai osta.
Gan taiosta.
Ai, chai mi gan tai vic.
Glengoyne is 15 miles north of Glasgow, near to Loch Lomond and the village of Killearn. The first official record of this distillery is 1833. Prior to that, it was one of 13 local illicit stills.
Hallo, Cymra Hashif.
Ac yma, cymryd hasio ffein.
Gle va ta, belief? Higus Jack.
Capelif. The malt whisky produced here is unique in that it is unpeated. Let's have a look at the process that produces it. First of all, the malted barley is mixed with warm water in the mash tun. Thereafter, it goes through the fermentation process in these huge wooden vessels known as washbacks. It's then distilled twice in these copper stills. The spirit is then reduced in strength by the addition of pure water. And here's the water, Uisce, that makes the Uisce Beatha, whiskey, the water of life. Another way of asking where someone has been is Cáte Roisibh, where were you? Look out for Cáte Roisibh in these next situations.
Cáte Roisibh. Hey, Cáte Roisibh. Ceist.
Cáte Roisibh.
Het hoorst.
Cáte Roisibh. Where were you? Cáte Roisibh. Chomhairst. For a walk or out walking. Chomhairst.
The phrase chomhairst can mean on a short trip or a journey as well. And the question, where were you? Cáte Row. Fescarma.
Fescarma.
Cáte Row.
Chomhairst.
Cáte Roisibh. Hey, Cáte Roisibh.
Cáte Roisibh.
Het hoorst.
Fescarma.
Fescarma.
Agus Cáte Roisibh.
Chomhairst.
Chomhairst.
Leva. Thierry.
Nothing va.
Martin va. Cáte Roisibh J.
Van me fall off.
Va me. I was. Va me. Va me chomhairst. I was out for a walk. Va me chomhairst. Va me fallaf. I was away. Va me fallaf.
Va me chomhairst. I was out for a walk or away on a trip. Va me fallaf. I was away. Listen again.
Cáte Roisibh.
Het hoorst.
Cáte.
Waarmee het hoorst.
Fescarma.
Fescarma.
Agus Cáte Roisibh.
Waarmee fallaf?
Fallach.
Thierry.
Nothing va.
Martin va. Cáte Roisibh J.
Van me fall off.
Cantinir beg, Inver beg, the small outlet. Inir means a place where waters meet, and big means small. Many people come to Loch Lomond on holiday, and the phrase for on holiday is Sir Lachen. Va mi Sir Lachen, I was on holiday. Look out for va mi Sir Lachen in these next situations.
Vadi, Ha mi dulich van meer surlein.
Wel, maandag maar. Kerst?
Kerst.
Ik is kimmer am Malachbeg.
Oh, ga ik leven aan de raaste. Wel, hij Brian Ju.
Ha, hai bria. Katjen jachian.
O, waar je je surlahin aan zijn Spaan?
Aan zijn Spaan? Wel.
Nog al, Carol. Am I Sir Lion? Ka en Jachshuf. Am I Philip? Find me Canada.
Canada? Ach, Kaatje nog een jeetje. Haal Kelly de vrede.
Sir Lion. On holiday. Sir Lion.
A maroch. The teacher used a maroch, tomorrow, a maroch. Also the phrase ounce a Spain was used. In Spain, ounce a Spain. In that last situation, the lines from a song were used to tease one of the speakers about his holiday in Canada. The song was written by a Lewis man living in Canada, and he talks of feeling like a stranger in the land, and also aspects of his homeland that he misses, like Cayley's. Listen again.
Vadi?
Ha mi dulich van meer surlein.
Wel, maandag maar. Kerst?
Kerst.
Ik is kimmer am Malachbeg.
Oh, ga ik leven aan de raaste. Wel, hij Brian Ju.
Ha, hai bria. Katjen jachian.
O, waar je surlahin aan zijn Spaan?
Aan zijn Spaan? Wel.
Nog al, Carol.
Am I Sir Lion?
Ka en Jachshuf.
Am I Philip? Find me Canada.
Canada? Ach, Kaatje nog een jeetje. Haal Kelly de vrede.
This is Lus, which in Gaelic is Vus. And you might recognise it because this is the village where Scottish television make their popular drama serial Take the High Road. It's time for us now to join our drama, Ekintheich, with the MacLeod family, and look out for the phrase, a rair, last night. A rair.
En draw u a ride. Catch and draw u a ride. Catch and jech u.
Och, ga me gan vallen.
A rair. Last night. A rair.
A rair, last night. And the question, catch a row, where were you, used u instead of shiv this time.
Catch and draw u a ride. Catch and draw u a ride. Catch and jech u.
Och, ga me gan vallen.
Cemar hawn diw. Whisky. Cat yn jech mae'r rhaid. Cha mi gan thai osta.
Hallo. Hallo. Catch and Jack o'r oedd.
Ga mi gan bhaile.
Agus cáin deach go roiid.
Cha mí chéliad anna agus ian.
Chá chéad anna agus có?
Ian.
Aha.
A chéli. To visit. A phrase we had in the last programme. Chai mi a chéli ir Ian. I went to visit John. Here it is again.
Agus cáin deach go roiid.
Cha mí chéliad anna agus ian.
Chá chéad anna agus có?
Ian.
Aha.
Hallo. Hallo. Cáin deach go roiid. Ga mi gan bhaile.
Cemar hawan dú. Cha mi ski. Catan deach mar raid. Cha mi gan haiosta.
Well, catch a romi and Jew. Chai mi a vialoch agus chai mi a gún gaine. Va mi ans in i'r vic, agus in draste ha mi awn yn lws. Agus in nisha ha mi a dolgachi. Now I'm going home. Next week we'll be bringing together much of what we've covered in the first 12 programmes. We'll also be looking at ways of coping when you don't understand what someone says to you. Until then, Martian leave and draste.
In this programme, we introduced you to Catch and Jachshiv and Jay. Catch and Jachshiv and Jay. Catch a Roshiv and Jay. Catch a Roshiv and Jay. Chai mi gan valle. Chai mi gan valle. Va mi chwrst. Va mi chwrst. Va mi fallaf. Va mi fallaf. Va mi surlachen. Va mi surlachen.